sound effects. This is for Ryan and Colin. Why don't you come up here, Ryan and Colin? Hello. What's your name? Margaret. And what's your name?
Bridie.
Margaret and Bridie, you want to help us out on this game? Come on down, come on down. Stand right here and right here. Right here in these two spots right here. This is Margaret and Bridie. Margaret, you're going to do sound effects for Colin. Bridie, you're going to do sound effects for Ryan. Whenever they prompt you, the microphones are live. You can put the microphone right up to your mouth and sound effect away. And the scene is Batman and Robin get the call that one of their arch enemies is wreaking havoc on Gotham City. So, sound effect, you do the sound effects for him in the microphone. Go ahead.
What are you doing, Boy Wonder?
I was playing with the machinery, but apparently it's not plugged in. Seems to be broken, Robin.
The hotline!
What?
The hotline! It makes that silent hum.
Pick it up, see what it is. Hello? Hello? My God, all the dogs in the city are howling. There must be trouble.
It must be the Joker!
The Joker!
To the bat poles!
Let me hang this up first. To the bat poles. First, we've got to get outfitted with our bat stuff.
I guess we should put on your utility belt.
Right.
Mine won't click! It sure makes a funny noise in the wind, doesn't it?
Just carry them. We'll go naked. Quick, to the bat poles. Let's oil them up. Ready?
Yep. Nice, quiet ride.
Yeah. This is the Batmobile.
Oh, Cape Crusader, remember your seatbelt.
Right. Just tie it in a knot. Hang on, Robin. I'm going to start up the most powerful car engine in the world. Are you ready?
Yep. I sure wish those ghosts would leave.
Are you ready, Robin?
All right, this is a car engine.
Ready? Let me give it a jump. All right, I'm giving it a jump. Start it up now. Push it, push it. We'll push it.
Up there. There's a Joker.
We'll get up there by climbing up my trusty bat rope. Are you ready?
Yes.
Stand back. I'm going to swing it now in the air.
Doesn't it usually make a strange whistling sound?
Wait till you hear it, Robin.
All right.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Margaret. Thank you, Margaret. Thank you, Margaret. Thank you, Bridie.
The universal sound.
Oh, man. So 1,000 points to each of you. So you got 1,000 points out of it. There you go. Next is a game called Title